This is going to be a very short video, and basically in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what the revenue of Educate is at the moment. Iman Gadhi has just released a new campaign which looks like this. All right, and it used to be like this. Anyways, what I'm gonna do in this quick video is I'm gonna figure out how much, probably how much money he will be able to make through his program. All right, all right. Let's begin. All right, let's start with, first of all, if we analyze this video. Okay, so at the moment he got 325,000 views on his video, the latest campaign that he is starting, but the total views of his channel is 147 million. All right, and one thing that I'm sure about is that he is not only getting his customers, you can say, from YouTube. He's also running Facebook ads and Instagram ads and any other uh, acquisition channel could be there. All right, so 147 million views. All right, so if we look at the program, so 8 hours are left. Okay, so if you look at the program, so at the moment the program is about making your first $1,000. And the whole landing page and sales funnel is, it's very good. He's a genius. I respect him a lot. I follow him actually. I i respect him a lot. Anyways, so what he's doing is selling three programs that are worth actually $1,500 in a membership form, a subscription form, which is, I guess, $37. Let me see. Yep, yep, it's $37. So from this, let's just say that out of 147 million people, let's just say 20 million actually get serious about this. Okay, which is just a guess depending upon the amount of influence that he has. Okay, so let's just say 20 million. Okay, now if we multiply 20 by 37, okay, that is going to be a lot. That is going to be a lot. Wait a second. It's damn, I didn't even think that it's going to be that high. Anyways, let's just say out of 20 million that are serious about this, um, 20% convert. Okay, so that's going to be uh 2 2 million. Okay, that's going to be 2 million. Now let's say 2, if you multiply 2 million by 37, that is gonna be, $74 million per month. $74 million, and this is the least amount. 20% conversion is the least conversion that you can get if you're in his shoes. Damn. I mean, he deserves it, doesn't he? Deserves it. Let's just say he gets 50% conversion. Okay, all you have to do is just multiply 10. 50% conversion will be 10 million people out of 20 million. 37. I hope you get it.